How to spoof in Pokémon Go without getting banned. Getting started with Mag Phone Location Changer is simple. Launch the app on your computer, hit start, and connect your phone via USB or Wi-Fi. Follow the on-screen setup to enable developer mode, and you're ready to go. Once connected, switch to game mode and select the Pokémon Go icon. Mag Phone will apply all GPS changes directly to the game, no extra steps needed. Mag Phone gives you 5 flexible GPS modes to match your playstyle. Change location mode lets you drop a pin anywhere on the map and teleport there instantly. Just keep an eye on the built-in cooldown timer. Teleporting too frequently can put your account at risk of a shadow ban. 2-spot mode and multi-spot mode handle the routing for you automatically, so you can stay focused on catching Pokémon and completing tasks without worrying about navigation. Mimics natural human movement patterns, keeping your account completely safe. Joystick mode puts full control in your hands. Adjust your walking direction and speed freely, just like a real analog stick.